everybody, today I'm going to review the MK Morse Renovator lineup of reciprocating saw blades. Now the three different ones I have here are a 12-inch, a 9-inch, as well as a 6-inch version. And other than length, they are exactly the same. They all have an 8/11 TPI, and they are bimetal blades. So they're not only going to cut through metal, but they're also going to cut through plastics or wood with no problems. Now the tool I'll be testing these out with is a Milwaukee M18 fuel sawzall. So what we'll do is actually cut through a range of materials to see how these are holding up. Then we're going to take a closer look at them to see if they're sustaining any damage. Here's a closer look at the three different sizes that I'll be using today. I have a 6-inch, which is 150 millimeter, a 9-inch, which is 225 millimeter, and then finally the 12-inch, which is 300 millimeter. Now the tooth angle as well as design is going to be completely the same throughout the Renovator lineup, and the only difference is going to be the length. To start out, I put some stacked 2x4s in the vise, and we're going to go ahead and use the Renovator to slice through these. To bump it up a little bit, I put a pressure-treated 2x6 in the vise, and I'm going to load it up with nails. Then we're going to take the Renovator blade and cut this long ways to not only cut through the pressure-treated board, but also all the nails to see what kind of performance it has. So there you go. Even in extreme cases of nail-embedded wood such as this, you can see that the Renovator sliced right through everything. And when we take a closer look at the teeth on the blade, you can see that none are missing, none are damaged, and the blade is still in excellent condition. Okay, I popped 10 pieces of 1/2-inch rebar in the vise and went ahead and put a brand new 6-inch blade on here. Let's see if it's going to slice through these. And now for an extreme test, I'm going to see if the Renovator will cut through a 2 5/16 inch trailer ball. Yep, it was able to cut that trailer ball completely off. And if we take a closer look at the blade, you can see that there's no teeth missing, there's none that are bent or broken, and other than just some paint missing off the side, the blade is still in new condition. So now you've seen MK Morse's Renovator lineup of reciprocating saw blades for yourself. They were able to cut through all of that nail-embedded wood, as well as that trailer hitch ball, and it really didn't even slow down. The best part is when we took a closer look at the teeth, there was no damage, and other than just some paint missing, the blades still look brand new. Now these are made 100% in the USA, and they do come in a variety of sizes, so you can pick the right one for you. If you like this video, please click like. If you like my channel, please click subscribe. And thanks for watching.